We've been all day shucking that corn. Shucking and cleaning corn all day long. Now I'm about to add my corn.
You've been shucking the corn all day in, in cans.
We just put it in there. That's how I measure how much corn I'm using.
Oh, okay.
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. You know what you're doing?
What kind of corn you using? Whole corn and cream corn?
Yes, I'm using whole corn and cream corn, but don't pay attention to the can. I cut this myself off the card.
Oh, okay. And you made your own.
That's the food. Food, yeah. That's just the measure.
Oh, okay.
Put all 4 cans in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm dumping all 4 cans from my mixture.
Got your Christmas music playing.
Yes. Ain't nothing like the holidays. Ain't nothing like the holidays. I love it. See, got my red mixer. Christmas. Red special. Alright.
Now fold it over.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold all the ingredients together in the bowl. Look at that. Just nice and easy. Just pick it up and fold it. Just take your time. Do it with me. Hey, don't cough over here on my face. Fold. Now what?
Commercial.
Now we're going to go to a commercial. I'll be right back with you later.